All right, Brian, what's your widget?
My widget is based on a new update in Adobe Premiere. So if you are a video editor, or if you have a video editor, or if you know a video editor that uses Adobe Premiere, share this clip with them. But it has a new option to automatically transcribe your video for you. Just like YouTube does, just like Facebook does, now you can do it in Adobe Premiere, and it does a decent job at it. We've always used Rev.com for this because they have the punctuation correctly, especially if you have multiple people. Rev.com is amazing. But I'm just trying to do it with some simple videos, 1-minute videos, and that I want to actually burn the caption onto the video. And I'm able to do it in Adobe Premiere free, fairly quickly, and gives me some cool options. So make sure you update that. If you do, it's another they call it a workspace. You'll see it at the top. It's called their Captions Workspace. You transcribe the audio, and then you can add it as captions. It's pretty decent.
Cool. We'll continue on this trend of smart homes because we've been doing a lot of conversations about smart homes lately. And the system that everybody thinks about when they think about like a connected home with audio is they always think about Sonos, which Sonos definitely came in and changed the game. And they were first to market. They did a great job marketing. But I don't think Sonos is really the best product anymore because some of the tried and true audio companies that have been in the game for a long time have stepped up their game and started to integrate smart home technology with high quality, because in my opinion, Sonos are not the best sounding speakers. They're not the best amps. They're not the best looking anything about them. So
they just worked.
They were first to the game. So I used to work in audio video. That's what I did before real estate. And I still have buddies who are still in that space and own their own companies. They're doing very, very well. And so they introduced me to Yamaha Music Cast, which functions very, very similarly to Sonos, but it's just a whole lot better. So if you are buying a new home, or you have clients buying new homes and they're looking for smart audio video systems, I would encourage them to check out Yamaha Music Cast. It's a very cool system, very easy to use, very easy to have, one thing playing in one room and something else playing in another, and independent volume controls, and you could have Spotify playing here and TV playing there. It's a cool system. So that's what we decked out our new house with, and they were able to integrate it with all the existing speakers that were in the home, so we didn't have to replace it all. So it's a cool system, and I've been very, very happy with it. So it's Yamaha Music Cast, and they make receivers, they make sound bars, they make all the things.
Yeah, and Yamaha is known as an audio company.
They've been in the audio video space for a long, long time.
Yeah.
So you're getting high quality, products with new school technology. Makes a very, very good marriage.
Cool.
Awesome. Well, hopefully got a lot of value out of the show today. I want to thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of the Whissel Way podcast.
See you next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.